Hi, I'm Elizabeth and I am a curly mentor. I shampooed and I deep conditioned it, and now I'm ready to style my hair. So, a spot of leave-in. Now when you style your hair, remember that your hair is the outfit and your products are your accessories. So it has to be just a little bit. Don't use too much of anything. So I'm going to just randomly prime my hair with the leave-in conditioner. So just really randomly doing this now, and then I'm going to part my hair, top up, top down. Then I'm going to go in with my hair cream. Rake and smooth. Smoothing in with like a more tension. Okay. Then I'm going to further make about 4 sections of this hair. So I have really thick hair, so I'm going to make more sections and style section wise. What I'm doing here now is, because this part of my hair frames my face, I'm going to finger coil it. And I realize I can actually take big sections and finger coil it. It just fastens the process. And then I can remove the coils later. If you have time, by all means, take smaller sections. But if you're hard pressed for time, you can just take big sections. And notice I'm not using any brushes. I found that using brushes actually kind of stretched out my bleached hair and caused more damage for me. So I'm not going to be using hair brushes. So yeah, now see, you can see this, how stretched this is, but here this part of my natural hair is curling nicely, but this is stretched out, and those are the bleach damaged areas. So here's another section. The thing is, if you have thick hair like mine, you want to do it section wise. This is the hair cream that I'm going to use. This is more with hair cream. So you want to do it section wise because you have so much hair. So if you don't make sections, parts of the hair are not going to be getting any product. So so now after applying the cream, I'm going to finger coil. See how wonky that is? That means it's not coiled in the right direction. So I'm going to use my other hand and coil in the other direction. See, now it's better. This is how it's styled. Now let's do the front bit. And notice I haven't used gel, I haven't used brushes. So because this is really thick, I'm going to section it again. I'll come back to the front bit in the end. So if you find that you do all of this, and if your hair is still dry or weird the very next day, then maybe your products are not right. Or if your products are right and if you're not doing any of this, then your hair is not getting any product evenly. So that's why it's drying out. There's so many triggers for why that can happen. So if you want to know what are your triggers and you want to correct your routine, you can definitely DM me. And because it's right in the front, my front hair, I don't want it to be heavy, so I won't be applying hair cream, but I'll apply extra leave-in for my front. So if you have different textures like that in your hair, make sure that they get different treatments. Like, not everyone will behave the same way. Okay, leave-in is in. I'm going to take little sections and finger curl. So when you finger curl, make sure you go like at least 4 or 5 times around, so it's like nicely twirled. I used to just twirl it like 3 times and let go, 3 times, 2 times and let go, but those results were not the same as these results. So yeah, for thick hair, if you have fine hair, if you have wavy hair, this will not work for you. Remember that. It's just that coarse textures, especially gray hair, needs a lot of coaxing, and finger coiling is that it's really directing to them to be where they should be, like an arranged marriage. So yeah, everybody's coiled. I don't know how long it took, probably less than 10 minutes. Now I will lock all of this in with hair gel. So my hair was wet when I started. See, it's all like. So now the products have absorbed all the water, so I'm not dripping anymore. I have a mix of hair types. It's like I have 2C hair because of the bleach, and then parts of my hair are 3A, and many parts of my hair are 3B. It's a mix, really. Oops, gel. So in the beginning of my routine, I said that how your hair is just your outfit and your hair products are your accessories. So make sure that you use less products. This is me saying that after using like 5 products. What I mean is less quantity when you take each time. So I'm going to take another dollop for like this side. Yes.